And what is a weak acid? The acid which undergoes partial or incomplete ionization in aqueous solution are known as weak acid. For example, CH3COOH, acetic acid, plus water CH3COO minus plus H in aqueous solution. Another example is formic acid, oxalic acid COOH का whole twice, carbonic acid and phosphoric acid. These are the examples of the weak acid. And the next one is concentrated acid. The acid which contain very small amount of water is called concentrated acid. And other is dilute acid. The acid which contains more amount of water is called a dilute acid. These are the types of acid. And what is the basicity of an acid? It is defined as the number of hydronium ions H3O plus that can be produced by the ionization of one molecule of that acid in aqueous solution. Acid can be characterized as monobasic acid. Monobasic acid means produce one hydronium ion per molecule of the acid. For example, HCl, HNO3, CH3COOH, etc. And the dibasic acid produce two hydronium ion per molecule of acid. For example, H2SO4, H2CO3, etc. And the tribasic acid means produce three hydronium ion per molecule of the acid. For example, H3PO4, H3PO3, etc. And the general properties of the acids are they have a sour taste, they turn blue litmus solution red, they turn methyl orange solution pink, or they turn deep pink phenolphthalein to colorless solution. Strong acids have corrosive action on skin, or it may be causes painful blisters. Most of the acids are soluble in water. NaCl plus H2SO4 concentrated H2SO4 को जब गर्म करते हैं तो NaSO4 plus 2HCl. Metallic chloride react with sulfuric acid to form metallic sulfate and Na2, metallic sulfate and 2HCl, hydrochloric acids. And the second one is base. The substance which produce hydroxide ion OH minus in aqueous solution are called base. Any such substance means Na, K, Mg, Ca, Ba, etc. are substances which react with acids to form a salt and water or neutralized an acid is called a base. It is also defined as a substance which can accept a proton given off by an acid in solution. All the metal oxide, metal hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide are bases. For example, NH4OH, hydronium hydroxide, CaO, MgO, CaO copper oxide, ZNO, NaH, KOH, etc. Second one is alkalis. Alkalis means but before this some examples is also given you. NaOH, Na plus aqueous solution and OH minus, it is also in aqueous solution. And other example is KOH. Okay, I will give you it also. K plus O and OH minus in aqueous. And